Tcharan! Look guys, I wanna show you this. A pair of high heels. Ayun guys. Alam nyo ba kung ilang years na sa akin to guys? Ayan, 8 years na to. And look guys, ayan, medyo okay pa naman siya. Ayan, hindi pa siya masyadong luma guys. Ayan. Bihira ko na kasi siya suotin guys. Ayan. Suot natin. Try natin kung kasya pa ba sa akin guys. Ayan, 8 years na kasi itong nakatago sa akin guys. Hindi ko siya masyadong nasusuotan. Naluma na lang siya guys, naluma na lang siya, hindi ko siya masyadong nasuot. Ayan, ganun talaga guys, pag yung mga gamit natin, hindi natin masyadong nasusuot, ayan, naluluma na lang yan siya guys, naluluma na lang siya bigla. Ayan oh, ang ganda na niya guys oh. I really love the color. Ayan, ayan, ito yung ginagamit ko pag may party guys, when I was at Taiwan. Ayan guys, oh, diba ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Ayan, pak na pak. Ayan. Dahil wala tayong masyadong party na ina-attendan dito sa Pinas, guys. So, hindi ko siya nasusuot. Kaya naman, ito try natin siyang isuot ngayon. At irarampa ulit. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda nito. Ayan, oh. I really love this. Ayan, medyo nag-ano na nga lang siya, guys. Medyo nag-ano na lang siya. Medyo lumuma na siya, guys. Kasi, hindi ko siya masyadong nasusuot. Ayan, ang ganda niya, oh. Ayan, kasi wala masyadong parting pinupuntahan. So, for today's video guys, I'm going to unbox my lingeries guys. My lingeries and sets. I wanna show you this. Guys. Yan si Mingming. Si Mingming guys. I wanna show you this. Ayan, let's open. I-open natin to siya guys. Yung aking ano. Ning, alis dyan, Ning. Yung aking in-order na ano. I wanna open this, guys. Ayan, si Mingming naglalaro. I wanna open this, guys. One of my favorite color. Guys. Ano. A maroon. Guys, look. A maroon bikinis. I really love it. Guys, si Mingming naman laging nag-ano sa akin, guys. My cat is so sweet. Very sweet of me, guys. Ayan, look, guys. Guys, look. I really love it. Ayan. I really love the, ano, guys, the design. So, later, I wanna fit this. Later, guys. Ayan. So, abangan nyo po yung aking pag-fit nito, guys. And then, we have also another color, guys. Ayan, another color. Ayan. Charan! Look guys, the black color. Ang ganda nito guys. Ayan. Ang ganda pang rampa. O, diba? Ayan o. I really love it. A very nice color guys. Tingnan nyo yung design guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. I'm so excited of this. Ayan, na-excite na akong i-fit siya guys. So later, I wanna fit this later guys. So, abangan nyo po yung aking videos guys. So, please, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Ayan. I hope you will like and subscribe my channel. So, abangan niyo po yung aking pag-fit nun, guys. Ayan.